Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna or Queen D. In today's video we are doing BH Cosmetics July Ruby Eyeshadow Palette. This is the look I did create with it. I really enjoyed it. So if you want to stick around, keep on watching. We're going to go ahead and do some swatches as well. For July we have our Ruby Eyeshadow Palette. This palette is really pretty. I'm loving all the shimmers. Other than that, it's kind of neutral. I do believe we have a duplicate shade, which I do think is the Ruby. I think the Ruby and the Garnet are exactly the same. So we were gonna find out after I swatch. So let's go ahead and swatch these. So here is the Ruby shade and here is the Garnet shade. And you can see they look quite similar. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the Garnet on top of the Ruby shade, just right above it, just to see if it really is the same shade or not, because I'm getting kind of annoyed that there's duplicates now. And here they are. I'd say, they look kind of similar. But I do think the Ruby is maybe more pink, but this has a little bit more red in it. Or maybe I just swatched it better. Okay, I'm gonna take this finger and add a little bit more of the Ruby to the Ruby. See if that changes anything. I don't know, they're pretty similar to me. What do you guys think? Do you think they're the same? Do you think they're different? I don't know, this one's a little hard to tell, but they're very similar. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up and we'll start this eyeshadow look. I'm gonna start off by going into Sparkly here, and I'm gonna be putting this on my inner eyeshadow lid. I'm gonna grab some glitter glue to make this perform better. I've got some NYX glitter glue. I'm gonna just take a little bit of this on the back of this brush, and I'm gonna put this on the majority of my eyeshadow. My eyelid. Actually, I'm gonna put it all over my eyelid, but just my eyelid. I'm not gonna take it up like above my crease or anything like that. And then I'm gonna go back into Sparkly, and I'm gonna put this on my eyelid. And I am going to put this on like the majority of my eyelid. I'm going to save just this outer corner for a different shade. And I'm just really just tapping this on. And I'm going to kind of put it on my inner corner as well. I'm going to put a little bit more, focusing it at my lash line. So I'm going to take some more NYX glitter glue and do the same thing to this eye, just because I don't want to get too messy with the two different colors. I want to have control. Again, I'm not taking this up into my crease. And then we're going to go into Sparkly here, tap this all over the lid. And then I'm putting the Sparkly on, again, on the majority of my eyelid. So now I'm going to take this packing brush and go into Witty here, and I'm just going to tap this on this outer corner. And then I'm slowly just gonna kind of like brush it into my crease just a little bit. And I'm tapping from the Witty to the Sparkly. And I'm just gonna grab some more and repeat until I like how it looks. And I'm just slowly, with a very light hand, working this little bit over here, just to kind of make a crease. Alright, so we're gonna do the same thing to this eye. So now that I've got this pretty blend out, I'm going to go back into Sparkly and tap from the inner corner to the middle again, just to get these shades to blend even more. And then I'm going to kind of tap on the in-between. So now I'm going to take this fluffy brush and I'm just going to take it along this outer edge, just to buff the edge of these. And then we'll do the same thing to this side. And I'm just kind of swirling with a little bit of windshield wiping motion, because I just want to kind of blur the edge. I Still want to be able to see it, but I just want it to be blurred. I'm going to go ahead and take Witty and just put it under my eye. But I'm going to keep it really tight to the lower lashes. And then I'm just going to take the fluffy brush and just dust under my eye. Alrighty, so this is where I'm going to finish off with the eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, and I will be right back with my final thoughts. I'm back, and this is the completed look. I really, really love this look. It's just perfect for summer. It's just kind of fun, flirty, just kind of screams like fun in the sun to me, honestly. So really, really loving this. Again, I'm not 100% sure if I got duplicate shades, but they look really, really similar though. But other than that, I really did enjoy this palette. Some of the mattes were a little kind of like chalky, but I didn't use them. They were more or less when I swatched them, they were a little chalky. But other than that, the mattes I've used previously have been fantastic. I really, really love these shimmers. They were really, really easy to work with. Again, NYX glitter glue or like some sort of glitter glue to back it up, or a sticky primer is perfect because it'll really, really like perform very well and like just like look how shiny. Ooh, love it. That completes today's video, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.